Hello everyone, this is Aya from Top Y Packing Machinery. We do packing machines since 2011. Now our main products have MDP mini doypack packing machine, VFFS loading film packing machine, and the DXD sachet packing machine. Today, let me introduce our MDP mini doypack packing machine, which combined with liner wear and takeaway conveyor. This packing system are suitable for granule, such as rice, beans, nuts. This machine also can pack in powder and liquid. Just need to combine with auger filler or liquid pump. Now, let's see the working progress of this packing system. First, we should set the target weight on the touch screen of liner wear. Now, let's turn on the machine. The packing machine will catch bag, take it to the filling and sealing part. After filling products, the packing machine will sealing bag. This liner wear will fill in products to bag at the weight we set. Finally, the takeaway conveyor will get finished bag from packing machine. This packing system are single station. If you need higher speed, we have 2 stations. Our company can do customized machine. If you are interested, please follow us to get more information. Thank you.